Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to check your Selenium version in CMD. Knowing your Selenium version is crucial for maintaining stable test automation. It helps prevent compatibility issues with your browser drivers and other project dependencies. We will explore two straightforward methods using the command prompt to quickly retrieve this essential information. This ensures your automation scripts run smoothly and efficiently. The first method involves using the pip package manager. Simply open your command prompt or terminal. Then, type pip show Selenium and press the Enter key. Pip will display detailed information about your Selenium installation. Look for the line that begins with version to find the exact version number, such as 4.14.0. This is a quick and effective way to get the information you need. Another excellent way to check your Selenium version is through the Python interpreter itself. First, open your command prompt and type Python to enter the interpreter. Next, type import Selenium to load the library. Finally, type print Selenium version and press Enter. The interpreter will then display the precise version number, like 4.14.0, directly to your screen. Regularly checking your Selenium version is vital for several reasons. It helps prevent unexpected errors caused by mismatches between your Selenium library and browser drivers. Staying updated ensures you benefit from the latest features, performance improvements, and critical bug fixes. This practice also helps maintain a consistent and reliable test automation environment across your team, leading to more robust and dependable test suites.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.